report to write by 4 o'clock. Responsibility at last. I will write the best, highest quality, most suitable, thorough, succinct report ever written by this very hand. If it wasn't for the gossip monger getting in the way, the stationery supervisor not giving me a pen, me losing my list, I would have had this report done by now.
What do you know? What do you know?
I have no workable working pen. Time's ticking, passing by and won't stand still. I have to get this report done by 4 o'clock, otherwise I'm doomed. I know, to the stationery cupboard. The stationery cupboard, locked, authorised persons only. No key, no access, no authorised persons, no only. And all of a sudden a large, towering, bulging figure loomed over me. It was Margaret, the stationery supervisor. And I said, I was just looking for, and she said, you shouldn't be on this floor. And I said, I've just come to collect a box of pens. And she said, your department's exceeded its stationery limit. And I said, please, it's an emergency, just give me 1 pen. And she said, no can do. Now bugger off. Hello, my name is Diane Barley and I'm the Artistic Director of Self-Assemble Theatre. Self-Assemble Theatre are a South Yorkshire-based theatre company who specialise in solo device performance. Our first production, The Use of Self, stems from the Alexander technique, where it looks at how habitual distortions impact on personal effectiveness, and we follow the story of Nina, who is given an opportunity in the workplace to prove herself to a manager. However, her bad habits impact on her achieving her goal. For more information on Self-Assemble Theatre, please check out our website at www.selfassembletheatre.org.uk. You can also follow us on Facebook.